What's up guys, this is Emmanuel. Today we're gonna do the wheel alignment for the car at home. Okay, this is my car. As you guys know, I installed the lowering springs on my car, so I'm gonna show you how to do the wheel alignment at home. It's super easy. I'm gonna adjust the toe. They call it toe. It means the tire like this. It could be like this or like this. And if the tire is like this, it can wear bad the tire on the inside, and if it's like that, on the outside. Okay, so we don't want that. We want the front tires to be straight. This car only has adjustment on the front, so whatever I do on the front, if your car has adjustment on the rear, you can do it on the rear too. Okay, and these are my tools. Okay, I'm gonna use this stand to put one on the front and one on the rear. I have this rope. I got it on Walmart. And I have a ruler. And also you will need a wrench to adjust the toe. Okay, one more thing. Before you do anything, let the car cool down, because the drums or the parts inside could be too hot and you don't want to burn yourself. Okay, so let the car cool down for like 30 minutes or an hour before you work on the car. Okay, one more thing, you have to do it in a flat area. Make sure that the steering wheel is straight. So move it like this a little bit, and then make sure that it's straight like that. That's straight. Okay, now let's adjust the alignment.
In your mind, searching for lips, searching for truth. I couldn't let you go without a request or even a task. Don't let me never be alone again, alone again. Don't let me never be alone again, alone again.
Okay, as you can see here, I already have my rope here. Try to put it like tightest as you can. And one important thing, the rope has to be in the middle of the wheel. If you put it too high or too low, it's not gonna work. Okay, so it has to be in the middle of the wheel. Okay, same thing on the back. Here, it's right on the middle. Okay, now the first adjustment we have to do, we have to measure the center cap to the rope in both wheels to see if the rope is straight with the wheels. Okay, so we're gonna measure the center cap to the rope from here to here.
Don't let me never be alone again, alone again. Don't let me never be alone again, alone again.
Okay, I already got it here. 4 inches here and 4 inches on the rear. Okay, the best way to know if your rope is in the middle, put the ruler on the center cap, and if the rope is right on the center, you will see it. If it's too high, lower the rope. If it's too low, just put it up the height, okay, of the rope, of the line that you're using for the measurements. Okay, so this one is 4 inches here and here 4 inches here. Okay, now this is our guide. Okay, now that you have your line all the way straight, this line with it has to be on the center. We have to show you the tie rod is this one. Well, you can see it there. The tie rod, that one. Let me see if I can. Okay, guys. To lose the lug nut is super hard, so I will have to lift the car first, lose the lug nut, and then I can do the adjustment. So remember, before you do anything, lift the car, lose the lug nut for the tie rod, and then lower the car. And then before you do the adjustment, move the car front and forward and to the rear, so the height is the right height. Okay. Okay, guys, this one is super hard to lose, so I had to remove the wheel. So I'm gonna remove both wheels. Well, this wheel, one wheel at a time, but I'm gonna remove the front wheels, lose the lug nut, put the wheels back, but leave the lug nut loose, and then you can do the adjustment. And after everything is finished, you don't need to remove the wheels again, because this one is easier to tie with the wheels on. So lose this one before you do anything, and then after you're finished, tie the lug nut. Okay. Okay, after you get this one loose, this one, put it like in the middle, so that way you have space to adjust the toe. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing to the other one, but that one I'm gonna put it on the video. But before you do anything on the other side, lift the car and loose this one and then move the car front and forward. Okay. Okay, now that I have it ready, I have to adjust the line again. Okay. Okay, now here is 1.5 inches, and here is 1 inch and 3/8. Okay, so this one is a little bit outside, so we have to make it even. Okay, let's do it. Okay, I think I got it. So now it's 1 inch, 3/8, 1 inch and 3/8. Okay, one way to see if it's straight, if you see the wheel from the top, has to be parallel to the line. You can see it here. The wheel is straight with the line, so it's a good way to know if it's too much or not enough. So you can see the line and the wheel from the top has to be parallel. Okay, so now I'm gonna do it on the other side, but it's the same process. I'm using a 15mm wrench, and the big lug nut is 22mm. So you need a 22mm wrench and a 15mm wrench. Okay, so I'm gonna do the other side. Okay, after you're finished with everything, remember to tie the lug nut. You don't want to be in an accident, okay? And if you prefer to take it to a professional, take it to a professional shop. So this one is for those who have a lowered car, and when you take it to the shop, they say they cannot do it because it's lowered and things like that, okay? So this one will help you to make your tires last longer. Okay guys, in this side doesn't need adjustment. This one is almost 1.5 inches, and this side is the same, almost 1.5 inches. So in this side is fine. It was only off on the other side. Okay guys, that's how you can do the wheel alignment for the front wheels, the toe, not the camber. The camber is different. It's the when the tire is like this and like that. For those, you need camber plates on the front, on the top of the strut. But this one is very easy to do. If you're not comfortable in doing this, take it to a professional. This one is for those who have their car lowered, and then when you take it to a shop, they say they cannot do it. So, and if that's your case, you can do it this way. This one is super easy. Remember, the lug nut you lose, you have to tie that one down again. You don't have to be in an accident, okay? Alright? Let me know what you guys think about this option to do the wheel alignment at your house. If you like the video, please like the video. And if you are new, subscribe for more videos like this one. See you on the next video.